What if we could redesign the way we cleanse? Up to the moment, we would never worry about the harsh chemicals. At Organic Fields, we believe in harnessing the power of nature. So we created these powerful bottles of magic that is sustainable, safe, and gentle. It cleanses effectively, leaving nothing behind except the nature's scent. So each time you're cleaning with us, take a deep breath and let the nature cleanse for you. Eco Household All-Purpose Cleaner, from the nature to you.